Well, dear students, now I'm starting here chapter 14. This is the last chapter of class 12 now. Actually, one more chapter was there regarding communication that has been deleted totally. This chapter also has been deleted. Too much. Very informative chapter is this. So semiconductor electronics. Actually, what is electronics? Flow of electrons in controlled manner help us to make so many devices. Initially, the electrons are obtained from thermionic emission, and the devices used were called diode, vacuum diodes and triodes. Now the semiconductor material have brought a revolution in our life. We are communicating because of semiconductor devices. Now here our aim is only to understand semiconductor, but what are semiconductors? How do they differ from others? So for that I have written here a table: material, resistivity, conductivity. Just here order of magnitudes are given. Metals have resistivity of the order of 10 to the power minus 2 to 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter, and reciprocal resistivity is called conductivity, sigma, 10 to the power minus 2 to 10 to the power 8 Simon ohm. Actually Simon is the unit of conductance, which is reciprocal of resistance. In place of here you can write per ohm per meter. Ohm inverse is Simon, written as S. So metals have their resistivity, means resistance, of the order 10 to the power minus 2 ohm to 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Conductivity 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 8 Simon per meter. Semiconductor, semi means half. Semi मतलब होता है half. Semiconductors, आधे कंडक्टर. Resistive 10 to the power minus 5 to 10 to the power 6 ohm meter resistivity. Their conductivity 10 to the power 5 to 10 to the power minus 6 Simon per meter. Insulators 10 to the power 11 to 10 to the power 19 ohm meter. Glass has this order of the resistivity. We have very good bad conductor or insulator of electricity, and this is the conductivity 10 to the power minus 11 to 10 to the power 19 ohm Simon per meter. So this is simply here. Still we will differentiate these three using some other concept. So this differentiation of material is based on their conductivity and resistivity. Simon is ohm per meter. Ohm inverse को Simon बोलते हैं. So now I come to semiconductors. Basically this chapter is of semiconductor. So semiconductors are semiconductors. The material we can define like this. The material, some may ask you, the materials whose conductivity varies sorry, conductivity lies between the conductivity of metals or good conductor and insulators or bad conductor, you can say. The material whose conductivity lies between metals and insulators are called semiconductors. Semiconductors may be elemental and compound also. So I was telling that semiconducting material, the material whose conductivity lies between conductivity of metals, good conductor, and insulators are called semiconductors. Semiconductors could be number one elemental like silicon and germanium. Number two, compound. Semiconductors may be element as well as compound, and compounds are organic. Sorry, first of all, inorganic, like cadmium sulfide, germanium sulfides, gallium arsenide, and cadmium, selenium. Etc. So these are inorganic. There are organic, compound semiconductors are inorganic as well as organic. तो organic कौन होंगे? B. Organic semiconductors means organic compound semiconductor. Semiconductors are anthracene, doped thylocyanamide, etc. और ऑर्गेनिक पॉलीमर्स भी हैं, ऑर्गेनिक पॉलीमर्स। वो कौन है? पॉलीपाइरोल, पॉलीपाइरोल, पॉली एनिलीन, एनिलीन, and polythiophene. Actually, I have introduced only for sake of knowledge. Semiconductor are not only actually we were taught in our post-based classes and graduate classes about semiconductors. Only the concept of silicon and germanium was there. Concept of silicon germanium was told. Then Dobbs semiconductor were also taught us. We will teach here, but here we will be considering only in our syllabus. Actually, we have elemental semiconductor. Actually, semiconductor has changed the life and made the life very easy. You are on the YouTube, you can see you have telephone in your pocket. Initially it was not, you took birth in the age of semiconductor. Now we will differentiate here between semiconductors and good conductor and insulator on the basis of energy levels or energy bands. So I will take that in next video because it will be little lengthy. It is simply an introduction to semiconductor devices. चैप्टर 14 का इंट्रोडक्शन है ये।